Hi, everybody, and welcome to Know What You're Talking About. Today, what we're talking about is Topic 2, DQ2, and here it is in Loud Cloud. Adam and Barb go to the store to purchase some lottery tickets. Without looking at the price, Adam says, "I'll take 10 lottery tickets," and Barb says, "I'll take $10 worth of lottery tickets." What is each person's price elasticity of demand for lottery tickets? Sounds like a tricky question, doesn't it? Let's start from the beginning and look first at the rubric to see exactly what's going to be required to answer this question. As always, you'll find the rubric right here, first post, and there it is. And the rubric says, explain Adam's elasticity of demand and how you can tell, and explain Barb's elasticity of demand and how you can tell. So it looks to me like we're going to have to look at something about elasticity of demand, and we're going to have to go to Chapter 5. So let's go over to MindTap and go to Topic 2 and Chapter 5 and look at the interactive book. And the first thing you'll find when this opens up is that I've already been here. What a shocking surprise, huh? And I'm already looking at the definition of price elasticity of demand. This equation right here is going to be important in determining your answer for this question, because price elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. So it's change in quantity divided by change in price, and it's all in percentages. How that works is going to tell you something about what the shape of the demand curve looks like and what the elasticity might be. Now, you'll recall in our question over here that it doesn't tell us exactly what the price of lottery tickets are. In fact, it kind of indicates that the price of lottery tickets are changing. So how are we going to calculate or even determine what the elasticity might look like? Well, let's take a look over at section D, 5-1D, and this figure right here shows us a variety of demand curves. I'll make that a little bigger so it's easier to see. So if demand is perfectly elastic, that means that no matter what the price, the quantity stays the same. Sounds like somebody in our problem, doesn't it? Just saying. Now, unit elastic says that the elasticity is always 1. Well, going back to our equation back over here, the equation is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. How would you get a result of 1? How would you get an elasticity of 1? Well, that would indicate that the change in quantity is equal to the change in price. If the percentage change in quantity is 10% and the percentage change in price is 10%, you're going to get an elasticity of 1. If they're both 20%, you'll get an elasticity of 1. That might be something to consider. And so looking at these demand curves, kind of think about where Adam might be and where Barb might be, and read more about these curves and read this whole section to learn more about elasticity. Here's one other complicating factor. Does elasticity stay the same at all price points, or does it change as you move up and down the demand curve? Your textbook is going to talk about that, and that is another consideration. So with those things in mind, I think you're ready to answer this question. Tell me whether Adam's elasticity or demand is elastic, inelastic, unit elastic, and why you think that. Tell me why Barb's demand is elastic, inelastic, or unit elastic, and why you think that. And if there are complicating factors about elasticity changing and some unknowns and stuff, talk about those also. I know you'll do great, and I look forward to reading your answer, and I'll see you next time on Know What You're Talking About.